Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my today's video. In this video, we will learn SAP SuccessFactor language packs. Okay, so SAP SuccessFactor language pack. So in SAP SuccessFactor language pack, so there are many languages. SAP SuccessFactor system, they have support different languages. So a company, we can say there are many companies, they can run different languages in SAP system. So companies run their HR system, or we can say their HR SAP success. I'm talking about SAP success factor system. So companies run their HR system software in different languages. In different languages. US English, US English, that is the default language, is the main, or we can say this is the default language. Default language. By default, this language is showing. So SAP SuccessFactor supports 46. It is supports, we can say 46 plus different languages. 46 plus different languages. That is why we called it language pack. So there is support 46 languages. So here, if you want to enable these languages, so you have to enable these languages from provisioning system. So enable languages from provisioning system. Enable these languages. How many languages a client want? Okay, so they have to enable through provisioning. We can say through provisioning system. Through provisioning system. And whatever language you have up to, okay, enable those languages, okay, you will see in SAP instance system, okay. So you have to go to SAP, okay, profile, and you will see, okay, all the languages. Like I have to show you first how you have to enable, how you have to disable. First of all, I have to show you can see here, this is SAP screen, and in this screen, if I have to show you different language, SAP support different languages. How these languages are showing in provisioning system, I have to show you both the system. You have to see here, click on change language. You will see there are lots of languages are showing here. It will automatically, there are lots of languages system is showing here. How these languages are showing, there are approximately 45 plus languages, and you can see there are lots of languages are showing here. Why these all the languages are showing here? So if you want, you have to go to provisioning system. You have to go to provisioning system. In provisioning system, you will see you have to click on company settings. Now I have to show you language pack. Here you see this is your language packs. This is your, okay, pack of languages, and here see there are different languages. There are different languages. How many languages you can see? German language, Unix language. Okay, suppose I have disabled Mexico, French, Arabic. These are the different languages. If I okay, disable those languages here, enabled. Those languages are showing here. Those languages are showing. Those languages are, you have enabled the checkboxes. Those are showing here. So now if I disable some languages, suppose I have disabled Arabic, Hindi, Russian, Turkish, and suppose I have disabled Spanish. I have okay. Suppose this is the language, okay? Indonesian, I have enabled. So here you see how many languages here you see approximately 10 to 12 languages are showing here. So there are many languages we have disabled. There are many languages like Hindi, Arabic, okay? And these are the different languages I have disabled. Now I have to save. Now I have to save this feature. Now I have to save this feature. I have to show you. I have to save this feature. I have saved this feature, confirm it. You will see, yeah, this is saved. This is saved. We have saved it. We have saved it. Now we have to open. Now we have to open. Again, we have to refresh. Automatically here you see there are many like Hindi, Arabic. These languages are automatically removed. As you can see, these languages are automatically removed. Here you see Hindi, Arabic. These languages are not showing here. So reason in the provisioning system, I have disabled, I have enabled some languages like Spanish, I have okay disabled. Spanish is not showing. Okay, this is not showing, but I have enabled. Okay, I have enabled. If you see Indonesian, if you remember, I have enabled Indonesian. So that language here you see this is showing. Now, if you change your SAP system in a particular language, your entire system change into Indonesian language. Here you see the complete SAP system to change into Indonesian language. So this is the way in the provisioning system you have to enable those effects are showing here. A very simple way we have understand this concept how we have to language pay we have to enable in provisioning system. After that we have to okay see their effect on instance system. All the things we have okay. So guys, if you have any question related to this language pack related to SAP SuccessFactor, you can directly message me, you can directly chat me, okay? Drop a message on comment box. As well as guys, if you want documents, any other help, okay, you can come to, you can, okay, there is my top mid website, okay. Here you see guys, if you want complete course, recording course, everything here you see. Success factor, employee center related, okay, KDS file, notes related, important interview question related. Here you see HCM related complete course. These all are available here. These all are available here, guys. You can see. So if you want, you can also go here, okay, and you can take. Right, this is the way. And guys, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone.